Hey guys, in this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to customize an invoice template in QuickBooks Online, making your invoices look professional and match your brand. First, log into QuickBooks Online and go to Settings and then Custom Form Styles. Click New Style and then Invoice to create a new template or select an existing one to edit. Choose your design layout, including header, columns, and footer placement. Add your logo, company colors, and fonts to match your branding. Customize the fields. Decide which details appear, such as item descriptions, payment terms, or customer notes. Preview your changes to make sure everything looks clean and professional. Once satisfied, click Save. Your customized invoice template is now ready to use for all future invoices. And that's it. Your QuickBooks Online invoice template is now customized and ready to impress clients. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 QuickBooks tutorials.